Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the 3-gift script for open houses. So when you have an open house, the idea is to collect more deals from that. So you want to create opportunities. And one way we found to be able to do that is to door knock at least 20 houses in the immediate area of any home that you're hosting an open house for, whether it's yours or another agent's. So you go in, you're going to door knock those 20 to 30 homes, and here's what you're going to say. We call it the 3 gifts. Why? Well, because you're offering 3 gifts to them. So you walk up to the door, you knock, and you say, "Hello, my name is Philip Simon. I'm a local real estate agent here in the area, and I'm hosting an open house over at 123 Main Street. Have you heard about it?" No. Well, hey, listen, I've got 3 gifts for you, and I'm only going to be a second. The first gift is I want to invite you over to the party, my open house, from Saturday, 1 to 3 o'clock. I'd love to know what you think. I'd love for you to come over and see what homes are being priced at and what they're actually looking like at that price point. See how your home compares to it. Do you think you can make it by? I'd love to hear your feedback. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Doesn't matter, but you've offered them the gift of coming to the open house. You say, "Great, thanks for thinking about that. I hope you do stop by." Secondly, I have another gift for you. I have the gift of you being able to choose your neighbor. We know that 1 in 5 people that move into a neighborhood know somebody in that very neighborhood. So I'm curious, who do you know that may be looking into this neighborhood? I don't know anybody, maybe this person, that person. Thanks for thinking about that. If they immediately say, "I don't know anyone," I'll say, "Well, what about a brother, mother, sister, family, coworker, anyone from church maybe that you know that's thinking about buying?" I'll get them to think about it again. They'll say, "No, I don't know anybody." I say, "Thanks so much for thinking about that. Hey, listen, before I get out of your hair, I want to give you the 3rd gift." And the 3rd gift is we do such a kick-ass job of marketing that oftentimes we're able to generate 2, 3, 4, 5 offers on a particular home. My gift for you is you get the gift of A, knowing what those offers are, and B, those people that typically list with me 2nd or 3rd are getting the advantage of getting a higher price point. So I have the gift of more money for you. I'm curious, are you interested in knowing what those offers are once I get them? And when they say yes, you simply ask them for their address. You'll email them over or a phone number, a way to contact them. You remind them the open house is Saturday 1 to 3. I look forward to staying in touch, and I'll go from there. That's the 3-gift script that works every single time to be able to make contact, find potential listings, invite people to your open house to make sure that you're getting a lot of movement and traction there, and ultimately be able to find buyers as well. Hope that works.